So first of is characteristics of business. Then business is an economic activity. So economic activity means the exchange of goods and services with the purpose of earning money. So first, when shopkeeper sell the product and customer buy the product, it means it is an exchange of goods. So how to exchange of goods is the exchange of goods by money. So that is why business also called it is an economic activity. For example, the purpose sale of goods by a shopkeeper. So whenever shopkeeper sell the product, it takes profit, it earns money with the help of a particular product whose sale to the customer. Second is profit earning. The main purpose of business is earning profit. For example, goods given in charity is not a business activity. No businessman can survive without earning sufficient profit. So main motive of the business is only profit earning. So if we produce a particular product and sell in the market, that is a part of a profit. But if these product and goods give in a charity, so it is not a part of a business. So हम उसे अगर हम प्रोडक्ट को चैरिटी में बांटते हैं तो हम उसे उस सर्विसेज को हम प्रॉफिट में इंक्लूड नहीं करते. हम किसी प्रॉफिट में इंक्लूड करेंगे ओनली ऑन जो हम मार्केट में प्रोडक्ट को बेचेंगे. थर्ड इज अनसर्टेनिटी ऑफ रिटर्न. एवरी बिजनेस इन्वेस्ट money or capital to run its activities with the objective of earning profit. So if any person start their business and invest money in a particular business, their main motive is only earning profit. उनका मेन मोटिव क्या होता है? सिर्फ प्रॉफिट को अर्न करना, पैसा कमाना. But it is not certain as to what amount of profit will be earned, but they don't know how much profit they earn. So also sometimes it is all possibilities of losses in the market. So it is so it means we don't say if we start business we only earn profit. Sometimes we earn losses also. Fourth is business is an art and science both. Business is an art because it required personal ability, experience and understanding. So business is art means when who's a businessman or is a company employees, they know know about how to produce a particular product, how to sell a product, how to distribute a product, and they are able to understand each and everything phases of production, and they also have a experience about business or about how to start business and how to produce a product. And understanding it means they also know what is the customer choice and how to attract the customer while they are able to sell how to attract the customer to purchase a particular प्रोडक्ट. सो आर्ट में हम ये देखते हैं कि जो भी बिजनेसमैन है उसके पास एबिलिटी होती है पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट को स्टार्ट बनाने की, उसको पूरा बना के फिनिश करने की. उनके पास एक्सपीरियंस होता है कि कैसे प्रोडक्ट को बनाना है. देन उनके पास अंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है. अंडरस्टैंडिंग मीन्स कि उनको ये पता होता है कि कस्टमर का टेस्ट क्या है और टेस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग ही वो प्रोडक्ट को बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं. देन ऑन द अदर साइड business is also a science because business has also a certain principles, laws and objects. तो हर एक कंपनी के there is own rules and regulation as well as policies. These rules and regulations helps to maintain the peaceful environment while produce the production while start any company. So fifth is wide scope. The scope of business is very wide. It includes all activities starting from the production of goods till it is reached to the customer. So we also say this business is also a wide scope, because if the business is starting point is from manufacturing or production, and last is reaches to the customer. So in whole step, business is very important to fulfill the needs of businessmen, as well as the fulfill the needs of customers also.